Home Remedies presents the miracle water with amazing health benefits. Recipe. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and today you will be surprised to know how this everyday drink could be so wonderful for your health. No wonder why our mothers and grandmothers used to make it every day at home, especially during the harsh summers. This nutritious drink can reduce the dependency of many powerful drugs, especially antibiotics. This is the reason why doctors don't prescribe drinking this water every day to develop your immune system and keep your body hale and hearty. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Any guesses? Yes, I'm talking about barley water. What is barley water? The milky white drink which is made by boiling barley seeds in water is called barley water, which is the most common form of consuming this barley. Barley water in Hindi is called jo pani and is used as a traditional home remedy in many households and is well known for its nutritional benefits. The goodness of barley water is such that it is often given as the first baby food in many countries. It is quite easy to digest and also helps in treating many ailments. Here's your guide to understanding the best benefits of drinking barley water and also learn the preparation method. Packed with fibers, this drink keeps you full for a longer period of time and suppresses your appetite. Plus, the fibers also ensure that the toxins are flushed out of the system. A lower appetite combined with a toxin-free body offers guaranteed weight loss. This is one of the best barley water benefits. High in insoluble fiber, barley water can help cut blood cholesterol levels and decrease the risk of developing heart disease. Barley-derived beta-glucans, a type of fiber, have been found to be beneficial for reducing total cholesterol, LDL and triglycerides. Barley water is recommended for diabetics as it helps stabilize blood glucose levels. The beta-glucans help slow the absorption of glucose after a meal, reducing the rise in glucose and insulin. The presence of the fiber triggers the production of good bacteria in your gut, thus shielding you against colon cancer. It can also help prevent atherosclerosis, a condition in which the thickening of arterial walls obstructs blood flow and increases chances of developing cardiovascular disease. Barley water can also help lower high blood pressure, another contributing factor for cardiovascular disease and stroke. Drinking barley water is said to be a great natural remedy for urinary tract infections, UTIs. As it is a natural diuretic, it increases urination and helps flush toxins and infection-causing bacteria from the body. It helps cleanse the kidneys and is also used for treating issues such as cystitis, kidney stones and high creatinine levels. Loaded with nutrients, barley water is recommended as a healthy drink for pregnant women. It is ideal as it promotes digestion, prevents constipation and eases morning sickness. Its diuretic nature helps treat water retention during pregnancy. The insoluble fibers of barley water lower the secretion of bile acids. The lower the levels of bile acids are, the better the insulin sensitivity will be. This in turn diminishes the triglycerides levels, preventing the formation of gallstones. It aids the digestion process and stimulates metabolism of fats. It is beneficial for treating digestive problems such as constipation, hemorrhoids, and gastritis. The presence of copper in this drink aids in improving the production of hemoglobin, thus lowering the chances of onset of anemia. The drink also contains manganese, which plays a major role in the production of bones. A glass of this drink is known to contain calcium 11 times more than a glass of milk. This drink is also replete with iron, thus making it an ideal drink to avert and cure osteoporosis. Studies suggest that barley water has the potential antidote properties that could be utilized for thwarting of the risks associated with poisoning. The presence of vitamin C in surplus amounts in this drink strengthens your immune system, keeping frequent recurrences of cold and cough at bay. Types of barley. Barley grains are available in many varieties in the market. Hurled barley, also known as barley groats, is the whole grain form of barley with only the outermost hull removed. Chewy and rich in fiber, it's the healthiest kind of barley. However, it takes longer to cook than pearl barley, about an hour or more. Pearl barley is the most common form of barley. Choose hulled barley over pearled. How to make barley water? It is simple to make, and you can even use flavor boosters and sweeteners to improve the taste. You can use hulled barley or pearl barley to make the drink. Ensure that you cook the grains well to extract the most nutrients from it. To make the most of this healthy drink, it is best to stir it up at home. 1 cup organic hulled or pearled barley, 5 cups water, juice of half to 1 lemon, to taste or other fruit if preferred, 1 tablespoon honey, optional to taste, cinnamon stick, optional, root ginger, optional. Servings would be 4 cups. Method. Place the pearl barley in a sieve and rinse for a minute or so with plenty of fresh running water. Place the pearl barley, water, and ginger, cinnamon if using, in a pan that can easily accommodate the volume of barley water you are making. Switch the heat on. Bring the water to the boil and then simmer for 20 to 25 minutes with the lid off. This will reduce the amount of water by about 1/3. The grains should be softened and cooked. Strain it into a glass, add the lemon juice or other preferred fruit juice and honey to taste and stir. Let it cool completely. You can also keep it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes and then have it. It is best to consume it fresh. You can store it in a well-covered container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Enjoy up to 4 cups 950 ml of barley water daily. You can enjoy barley water before or after meals throughout the day to get more vitamins and minerals in your diet. Don't consume more than 4 cups 950 ml of barley water per day, since it's high in fiber and can cause an upset stomach. Warnings. Barley water contains gluten, so don't drink it if you have a gluten intolerance or wheat allergy. If you develop rashes, feel stomach cramps, have diarrhea, or have headaches after having barley water, stop drinking it immediately. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.